Hello friends, Ace Botane next episode. This is NCERT quick reference. Chapter name is Sexual Reproduction Flowering Plants, episode number 12, and the portion is seed. Detailed note I already published in YouTube. It is there. This is for quick reference, NCERT. And daily I'm putting 2 questions at 12:45 p.m. To get all these, subscribe Ace Botane. Like it, share it, comment on it. So for convenience, I will share the screen so we can save time, and I wrote some statement also for saving time. I think screen came. So we can proceed. Okay. So when we start to discuss this episode, all references based on NCERT March 2024 reprinted edition. So we can start. So study of seed. It is called spermology. Angio means covered, say sporangium. Gymno means naked. Sperm means seed. I think that idea clear. Now spermatophyta. Spermatophyta means seed-bearing plants. Examples include gymnosperm and angiosperms. And remember, seed is a physiological enigma. Now types of seed. Basically 2 types. Albuminous or endospermous. Example is castor, maize, coconut. Second type, exalbuminous or non-endospermous. Endosperm will be already consumed. So groundnut, beans, and pea. 2 types. Now perispermic seed. So we should know what is meant by the term perisperm. Perisperm means if remnants of nucellus is present in seed, such a remnants of nucellus is called perisperm. It is diploid. Example is beet, black pepper, having perispermic seed, NCERT. Now structure of seed. When we come to structure of seed, 3 basic parts: seed coat, endosperm, embryo. I think first page is clear, so we can proceed to second page. I think it came. So seed coat. Which structure develops into seed coat? It is outer and inner integments. Outer integment will develop into testa. Inner will develop into tegment. And what is meant by bitechmic, unitechmic, ectechmic nature? If both integments present, it is bitechmic. If only one is present, it is unitechmic. If it is absent, ectechmic. I think idea clear. Now, what is meant by micropyle? Micropyle, here we are discussing the seed. That is why I wrote here. It remains as a small opening in the seed coat. For what function? Which facilitate the entry of facilitate the entry of water and oxygen in connection with the germination of seed. I think idea clear. Facilitate. Now, 4 diagrams are given there. NCERT is a labeling question. Details given there. We can proceed to third page. So what is meant by the term endosperm? It is a nutritive tissue for developing embryo. It is diploid, formed after fertilization. What is embryo? What is its ploid? Embryo formed after fusion between male and female gametes. It is basically diploid. Endosperm in angiosperm is diploid. Zygote in angiosperm is diploid. Now, what is meant by dormancy and quiescence? Both generally means inactiveness, suppressed. For germination, with respect, they are suppressed in connection with the germination due to various reasons. And dormancy, the term more towards endogenous nature, while quiescence more towards exogenous nature. If moisture content comes to 10 to 15%, can lead to dormancy. This value is important in NCERT. Now, what is germination? Germination means from seed, seedlings will develop. That is germination. And why nature prefers seeds? See, seeds has got some advantage. One by one we can proceed. They can survive up to a certain extent, survival, due to protection and food availability. Okay. Now, second, seeds are produced after sexual reproduction. So new genetic mixing up is there. That also advantageous. I think idea clear. We can proceed to next page. Yes. Now, seeds are connected with agriculture also. It has to be stored for a long time. No crops can be raised, etc. Now, what is seed viability? Which is the test for seed viability. Seed viability means ability to retain the germination capacity. Test is called TTC test, not in NCERT, but some exams it came. Previous exam it came, that is why I represented there. TTC test, detail given in detailed description. Now, longest viable seed. NCERT says it is lupin. Lupinus arcticus, Arctic tundra, it is found 10,000 years of dormancy. See, 10,000. Now, date palm, Phoenix dactyliforacing Herod's Palus. 2,000 years old of dormant seed. Some methods to break seed dormancy: thinning of seed core, that is called stratification; temperature treatment, that is called stratification; nullifying inhibitors like ABA, coumaric acid, phenolic derivatives; and finally treating with the plant hormones like gibberellic acid. These all can prevent or break dormancy. Now remember, ovules develop into seed, or ovule develop into seed, ovary develops into fruit. I think idea clear. If you like this episode, subscribe base button, like it, share it, comment on it. For time being, we can wind up. We'll be continuing this. So take care. Bye. Thank you.